Here's the app called MIXY mashups. Coming soon, expected May 20. So this is a new AI app. It's a magical new instrument for mashing up and mixing your favorite songs. Add your favorite songs, get beats, vocals, and sections, play and mash up anything. So this is the app. So pretty cool new AI app which you have in here. So you can just try to get it, to install it, but it's coming May 20th. You can see it in here. And yeah, so that's basically the idea. Coming soon. It requires iOS 18 though, and pretty cool idea where you can just get two songs and with AI mix them. So you can take your favorite rap song, your favorite pop song, and mix them together. You can also get verses. You can extract vocals from here. So pretty cool and viral app. It's quite trending these days on TikTok. So, just set these notifications and try it out when it's available. It should be for free, or it should have quite a lot of features available for free. So there you have it.